In today's video, I'll show you how to add your income or salary in YNAB step by step so your budget always reflects the money you actually receive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official YNAB website. Log in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your accounts and budgets are displayed. Next, go to the bank account where your salary or income is deposited. This is important because YNAB tracks real money in real accounts, so choosing the correct account keeps everything accurate. Now look for the option to add a new transaction, usually shown as a plus or add transaction button. Click it to open the transaction entry window. Set the date to the day your paycheck was deposited into your bank account. In the payee field, enter your employer's name so you can easily identify the income source later. After that, make sure the transaction is marked as an inflow. In the inflow amount field, enter the full amount of your salary. This should match exactly what was deposited into your account. Once everything looks correct, save the transaction. As soon as you do this, the income will appear in YNAB and be ready to assign to your budget categories. That's it. You've successfully added your income or salary in YNAB and can now plan how every dollar will work for you. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.